Our scenario. You and your friends are out camping. Everyone knows the first step of setting up camp is establishing a shelter. You and your friends dig around looking for your tent to set up, but oh no, you all left it behind. You're all a little bummed, thinking you're going to have to call the trip short as you see clouds start to gather overhead. But then your friend comes up with a great idea. How about you all try to build your own shelter, just like a real wilderness survivalist? You better be quick, though, as this storm is coming in hot. All you can do is use the supplies you have on hand and anything from the woods. Your shelter must be able to stand up against both wind and rain. You have about 45 minutes. First things
Cool.
first, we have to ask, what are we doing? So,
So we're building a shelter.
we are building a shelter that has to stand up against wind and rain, and it has to keep us dry inside and safe, of course.
And we can only use the materials we have on hand.
And we can only use the materials we have on hand. So, and just like that, the storm has come and it has passed. Kyle, how did yours do?
Well, let me show you.
So I would like to clarify. We decided that ours was ready for the final test. Normally, you could go and improve. We decided ours were ready. Oh,
Mine
Kyle.
wasn't.
And the moment of truth, everybody's coming out of the tent. They're coming out and perfectly dry. Well, woo!
All right. Yours is awesome.
All right, time for some reflection. Kyle, I really liked the ingenuity of yours of how you like attached it all at the top. Mine was very difficult to attach at the top because of the way I built it.
Yours definitely had a lot more structure. I think the longer sticks helped a lot.
I think the longer sticks might have helped more. I think if there's one thing I would change is A, make sure there's a door, and B, tie it, like tie something down, because I feel like this cling wrap would like just fly off. Like, say it was a tarp in real life, I feel like it would like just fly off.
Yeah. Mine needs more support on the bottom. More weight. It needs more heft because it
Yeah.
just kind of blew over.
Yeah. Oh well. Well, that's good things to keep in mind for next time. All right. Whew.
All right.